here given in the given figure AB parallel CD parallel EF, given that AB equal to 7.5 centimeters, DC equal to y centimeters, EF equal to 4.5 centimeters, BC equal to x. Then find the values of x and y. So here the diagram given in AB parallel, CD parallel, EF, that were there given. So here for finding the answer purpose, now we observed ABC and EFC. These two are the two triangles. So in triangle ABC, triangle EFC, both triangles observing these two triangles to AB and EF are parallel given. That means if we taking BE as transversal, now angle B is equal to angle E. So angle B equal to angle E. Since alternate angles, and similarly if we observe these AF is transversal to the sides AB and EF, that means angle A is equal to angle F, since they are also alternate angles. So two angles corresponding one equal. So by AA similarity, we can conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEC. ABC triangle is similar to triangle FEC. Now the corresponding sides ratios taking AB by FE equal to BC by EC, that equal to AC by FC. So here our two AC FC sides ratios lengths not given, so left that one and remaining one taking AB by FE equal to BC by EC. Now AB length is 7.5 and FE length is nothing but 4.5 and BC length is X and EC length is 3 given. So by the cross multiplication, so 7.5 into 3 equal to 4.5 into X. Now X equal to 7.5 into 3 by 4.5. So 3 ones, 3 15s, 4.5, that means 1.5. So 15 ones, 15 5s. So the X value is nothing but 5 centimeters. Okay. Now for getting the Y value purpose, now we taking triangle BDC, triangle BDC, triangle BFE, triangle BFE. These two triangles to observe. Now angle B is the corresponding angle. Why? Because B is the common vertex, so it is also a common angle. So angle B equal to angle B, since common angle. Next, CD, FE are parallel lines given. So if we taking BF as transversal, now angle D, angle F are corresponding angles, so they are equal. So angle D equal to angle F, since corresponding angles. So here by two angles corresponding one equal means the third corresponding angle also equal. So by AA similarity, here we conclude that triangle BDC is similar to triangle BFE. So here these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio is also equal. So BD by BF equal to DC by FE, that equal to BC by BE. So here our two observed BD and DF side ratio is not given. So left this one and we taking BDC by FE equal to BC by BE, that side ratio taking. So DC by FE equal to BC by BE. So here DC length is nothing but y given and FE length is 4.5 given, and BC length, that is x value already here we find, that is nothing but 5, and BE means that is the sum of the sides BC plus CE, that means x plus 3, x value already we know, that is 5, and CE value 3. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So by the cross multiplication, 8 into y equal to 5 into 4.5. So y equal to 5 into 4.5 by 8. So now if we cancelling that one, so 45 5 is nothing but 22.5. So 22.5 by 8, 22.5 by 8 is nothing but 2.8125. So y value is 2.8125 centimeters. Okay, and the next problem is a girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp post is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Okay, that is the information here given. So the girl's height is nothing but 90 centimeters and the height of the lamp post is 3.6 meters given, and speed of the girl is 1.2 meters per second given, and she ran away after 4 seconds. Her shadow to length we have to find asked. So if we draw this diagram as a triangle, similar triangles model, here girl height means we taking the height of a girl as a point only. Okay, then only we calculate easily. So here a lamp post there, so that lamp post downside the girl stand, so after 4 seconds she will be here. Now her shadow length will be here. Now these above the ground points join, now it is the triangle. Now this triangle to height of the lamp post is 3.6 meters and the girl's height 90 centimeters. Once we writing the given information, so height of the girl DE equal to 90 centimeters. Next, height of the lamp post that is AB equal to 3.6 meters given. If we observe height of girl is 90 centimeters, height of lamp post is 3.6 meters given. So in solving the problem we need same units. So here 90 centimeters, here 3.6 meters there, so that meters will be converting to centimeters. 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. So 3.6 into 100 centimeters, that equal to 3600 centimeters. Here 1 digit before point, that means 360 centimeters. Now height of the lamp post is nothing but 360 centimeters. Next they are given speed of the girl child. So speed of girl equal to 1.2 meters per second given. Next, she traveled time after 4 seconds, that means she traveled time 4 seconds given. Okay, so here how much distance she covered? So she covered distance equal to, so distance equal to speed into time. So speed into time, that is nothing but 1.2 into 4, that equal to 4.8 meters. So she covered distance is 4.8 meters. That means here this dB is nothing but 4.8 meters. So that BD equal to 4.8 meters. But here we taking the information as centimeters as units, so this meters will be converting to centimeters. 4.8 into 100 centimeters, that is nothing but 480 centimeters. Now her shadow length we have to find. So here that shadow length is giving this CD, so we feel it is X. So let the shadow of the girl equal to X centimeters. Now here this information to observed, it will be in triangles model, so that triangles to applicable the similarity rule. So in triangle ABC, triangle EDC. In these two triangles, observe C is the common vertex. That means angle C is common angle. So angle C equal to angle C since common angle. And if we observe the girl and the lamp post, both are stand straightly. That means with the ground they will be making angle 90 degrees. So angle D equal to angle B, that equal to 90 degrees. So here we observing two corresponding angles are equal. So by AA similarity, now we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. So the two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides ratio is equal. So AB by DE equal to BC by CD, that equal to AC by CE. And here in this triangle we observed AC and AE sides lengths we don't know, so left that one the remaining sides ratio taking AB by DE equal to BC by CD, and here AB length is nothing but 360 centimeters and DE length that is 90 centimeters and BC length. So here BC means that is the sum of CD and BD. BD 4.8 meters, that is nothing but 480 centimeters. So 480 plus X by CD length is nothing but X. Now 360 by 90 both will be go in 90 table. 94 ja 360, so 4 equal to 480 plus X by X. By that cross multiplication, 4X equal to 480 plus X transfer to this side minus X. 4X minus X equal to 3X. So 3X equal to 480. Then X equal to 480 by 3. 480 by 3 means that is 160. So X means that is nothing but the length of the shadow of the girl. So length, the shadow length of girl, that is taken as CD. So CD equal to X equal to 160 centimeters. Why? Because all are here we taking as centimeters units only. We convert the centimeters into meters. We divide with 100. 160 by 100 meters, that is nothing but 1.6 meters. So the shadow length of girl child is 1.6 meters. So the length of the shadow of girl child is 1.6 meters. Here given a problem, given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Then we have to prove that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, triangle CM by RN equal to AB by PQ, and triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ. These three we have to prove. Here given ABC PQ are two triangles. So the triangles drawing. ABC PQ are two triangles drawn, and here CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC, triangle PQR. So CM is the median of triangle ABC. So CM, so in that order coming model writing, so A C. Now CM is median, so CM median. Median means that is nothing but for the side midpoint to opposite vertex to drawn line is called median. So this side midpoint to opposite vertex to drawn line. Now that will be dividing this side into two equal parts. Okay, that means BM length and MA length both will be equal. Similarly, RN is median of triangle PQ are given. So here is the midpoint. So RN is midpoint of side PQ. Okay, so first solving this purpose, what is the given information that will be writing? So given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here our two given two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal ratio and the corresponding angles are equal. That one we know already, so that will be here taken. So angle A2 corresponding angle is angle Q, angle P. Angle B2 corresponding angle Q. Angle C2 corresponding angle R, and the sides ratio AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, that equal to CA by RP. That is the information here given, and CM and RN are the medians of triangle ABC, triangle PQR. That is also the given information. So CM is the median of triangle ABC. So AM length and BM length both are equal, and that is AB length to half. Next, RN is median of triangle PQ are given. So that means QN length, NP length, PQ length to half. RN is the median of triangle PQR. So PN equal to QN equal to QP to half. Okay, this is the given information. Now by using this information, now we solve the problem. And here given the first one is the proof triangle AMC is similar to triangle PQR. That one we have to prove. Okay, so here for proving triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, that proving purpose, now we taking AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. That is, we taking AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Here our two given AMC. AMC means, now in that AB to half doing means that is nothing but AM coming. Okay, and here the CM by AC by PR, that is also taking. Now here in the place of AB, now this two half doing half AB by half PQ, so both will be now dividing with same number of, so the result will not change in that fraction. So half AB means we can write for proving this answer AM, and in the place of half PQ for this answer we can write PN. And so here AMC to the side is AC, so I am taking the third one AC by, and PNR to PR, that PR taking. So AM by PN equal to AC by PR, and already we know that angle A equal to angle P, corresponding sides. So here two sides ratio and one corresponding angle are equal. So these two triangles AMC and triangle PNR both are similar triangles. By this we can prove. Okay, now here these two are similar triangles, so their corresponding sides ratio is equal. So now AM by PN equal to MC by NR, that equal to AC by PR. That one we can write. Now our second question is CM by RN equal to AB by PQ. So here CM by RN there, and AB by PQ we need AB by PQ from AM by PN to come. So now we taking these two fractions. So CM by RN equal to AM by PN, AM by PN. Now this one multiplying both numerator and denominator with 2am by 2pn. So with the same number we multiplying, so the fraction will not change. So 2 times an means that is nothing but the side AB, and 2 sides PN, that means that is nothing but the side PQ. So AB by PQ. So CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. It is the second proof over. Now the third one, for proving triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ, we have to take the ratios of first two, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. Now AB to half doing and BC PQ to also half doing with the same number, numerator and denominator are dividing, so the answer will not change. So now in the place of half AB, now I am taking BM, and in the place of half PQ, now I am taking QN, that equal to BC by QR ratio. And here we know that angle B equal to angle Q, corresponding side angles, so angle B equal to angle Q. Now here in triangle CBM, triangle RQN, BM by QN and BC by QR sides ratio is equal, and corresponding angles, angle B and angle Q are equal. So here we conclude that triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. Okay.